Number 1, the freshman's dream, squaring a binomial incorrectly.
Wait, isn't that right? X squared and 3 squared. Simple, right?
Not so fast. X plus 3 squared means x plus 3 times itself. You need FOIL.
Oh, I see. The middle terms. The 3x and 3x come from the outer and inner multiplications.
Exactly. Look at the area model. Squaring the total side x plus 3 means taking the area of the entire square. But you also have these two 3x rectangles. That's why the middle term 6x exists. Mistake number 2, the negative sign trap. This one is lethal.
Okay, 1 minus the bracket. That's 1 minus x squared minus 4, right?
Wait, the minus sign outside applies to everything inside. You have to distribute it. Negative times negative is positive. That negative 4 becomes a positive 4. Now combine the constants. 1 plus 4 equals 5.
Got it. 5 minus x squared. I'll never forget to distribute that minus sign again.
Mistake number 3, power of a power.
X to the 5th? Because 3 plus 2 is 5.
Nope. X cubed to the second power means 2 copies of x cubed multiplied. Count them. 2 groups of 3 make 6. Multiply the exponents. 3 times 2. Multiply the exponents. 3 times 2 is 6. Mistake number 4, Frankenstein terms.
5x to the 5th. Or maybe 5x squared?
Stop! X squared is a square. X cubed is a cube. You can't add them. They are different species. Just leave it as 3x squared plus 2x cubed. Mistake number 5, the invisible one.
The x cancels out, right?
No! X represents 1x. There is an invisible 1 standing in front of that x. 3 x's minus 1x leaves 2 x's. Mistake number 6, magic fraction cancellation.
I see a 5 on top and a 5 on bottom. Cancel them.
Wrong. Addition glues the numerator together. The denominator belongs to both terms. Split it first. Mistake number 7, the squaring slip-up.
I squared the x. The 3 is just chilling.
Power rules. You must square the coefficient and the variable. Mistake 8, the halfway distributive.
3x plus 2. Boom!
Distribution means sharing with every term inside. Mistake 9. The fake distributive.
I distributed the 2 to both 3 and 4.
Distribution only applies over addition or subtraction. Mistake 10. The fraction fumble.
Cancel the 3's. Easy.
You must divide every term in the numerator. Avoid these 10 mistakes and you'll dominate algebra.
I'm subscribing right now.